this.
She draws it, I cook it.
So first off, we're gonna start with the onions.
My daughter handed me this sketch, and yeah, this kid is obsessed with Hot Cheetos. So I'm combining that vibrant red energy with my late great aunt's legendary recipe to create the ultimate fiery Jamaican fusion.
Ooh man, I love the smell of Jamaican patties. Now to add a little bit of broth.
Beef broth works great.
All right, go ahead and add the breadcrumbs.
You got it.
The reason I stopped buying these from vendors is because they are 90% breadcrumbs and 10% hope.
Gonna add a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna give it a little
Ding
mix.
dong, eat it up, eat it well and mix it
Now I
up.
got 3 sticks of butter.
You know, my aunt used to love to use Crisco for this part, but that will kill you. You know what? Use whatever you want. I'm using butter.
I have here a chilled glass. I'm gonna add some red to it.
I got that oleo resin carmine for that natural red
Now I'm gonna add
vibrance.
this chilled water into our dough a little bit at a time. I wanna get the right consistency. Now comes my least favorite part, rolling the dough.
My aunt taught me this recipe, but every time I asked for exact measurements, she glared at me like I said something blasphemous. She would sternly say, "I doesn't measure. That's what y'all Americans does do." So yeah, I had to learn just to eye it, feel it, and pray to the ancestors that it tasted good.
All right, let's start off with the Oaxaca meat.
With the price of beef being what it is right now, you can't blame the Jamaican man for stretching it out with some breadcrumbs.
And go ahead and seal it with a fork all around. All right, as you can see, these beautiful Jamaican patties are ready to go into the oven. But first, this isn't your typical egg wash. I use milk, a little bit of water, and some more of that red stuff.
I don't care, I paint the town red.
Look at these beautiful red Jamaican style patties, or as we like to call it here, Hot Cheeto Jamaican patties. You know I gotta do the honors. I gotta break one of these bad boys apart.
Yo, those patties are redder than my bank account after a DoorDash order.
Real quick, real quick. Oh yeah. I present the Hot Cheeto Jamaican style patty. Hot.
Yoga flame. You lose.
Here. Cheers. See. How's it?
I love those spicy patties, man. Don't forget to like and